to CSV.
リクエストで CSV で終わるものが来たら、前のところ勝手にカットしてアウトプットタイプ CSV で出力をするという指定を書く。
So, and this, of course, you only have to do once. You don't, not for every action where you use CSV. We can put this root file top.
CSV だったらこうするっていうのは1回書けば。
And same for the output type. The output type you configure once, and then you can start using it in code. So,
いろんなところの CSV ダウンロード書く必要はなくて、1回これを書けば CSV に関係ができるので。
Let's just write this right away.
あとは execute CSV が。
I will use temp file hack. So, fopen PHP temp. Is it temp?
What?
Memory. No, is it? Does this work? I think it should. This works. For reading and writing, for each this get attributes products. You know this one. As products. Products to array. I hope this works. So, to array is in product model.
fopen で PHP の添付に書き込んで。
That's just a hack because fput CSV will automatically use delimiters, so it's easier to write. And I can show you another trick in a moment. So this is to array method. Okay, I wrote this. It's just your model. You could use doctrine, for instance, and Propel have to array methods. So you can just use the doctrine to array done. So I hope this works. And you can return any file pointer. So you could use. We could also say return fopen.
File pointer をそのまま返せます。
And I will show you something very cool in a minute. Let's say I'm sure I have some sort of. Oh yeah, yeah. So info. Let's use different. What? Why is permission denied? And this, if you return fopen, if you return a file pointer, agavi will use fpass-through without buffering, so really fast. And then if you have, do you know,
バッファリングなしに
accent file?
fpass-through 使ってagaviがその渡されたファイルポイント
Has anyone of you used this? You have used this?
そのまま出す。
That's a feature of light TTPD. So, if you have Nginx with accent file extension, then you do this. Check this out. You go to factories XML, you say for web in production, in the web response, you say use send file, true. And then, instead of sending the file using PHP, agavi will send a header for the web server with the location of the file, and then the PHP process ends and the web server serves the file. And then you have really, really, really good performance. For instance, if you want to do quick security checks on images, on photos, and then serve them with really high throughput with the web server.
対応しているウェブサーバーを使って Xsend ファイルで直接ファイルを早く送るような設定もすることができる。
And again, no special code. You just do configuration. No changes in code necessary.
設定だけで、しかも実機だけでっていうことができます。
We're a bit over time now. I'd like.
Second one will be
Okay, this one. Okay. Can I show one last thing? Okay. One last thing. Now, let's say we want to do security checks on products. So if I
Security check
is a new
でも最後に
new feature in agavi 1.1 for
agavi 1.1 の新しい機能になります。
private, so I can't. So I need to log in. Say, oh, by the way, when I say I need login, okay, so I want to go to secure action, which needs a login. This is secret. So I can say Chuck Norris kick and redirect back. So it automatically sends me back. But that is implemented in code. Really easy. Just store in session, store URL in session, and redirect after login.
ログインが要求されて、ログインしたら、その最初に行こうとしたところに戻るっていう。
Okay, let's log out quick. So now I am Joku, and so now I'm a basic user privileges.
としてログインして、
and red stapler is my product, so I can look at it.
で、このユーザーは自分のプロダクトを見るっていう権限が与えられる。
I implemented all of this with ZendACL and the new authorization system in agavi.
ZendACL を使ってここのアクセスコード。
Who of you has used Zend framework ACL?
ZendACL 使ったことある人いますか?
Anyone? Okay, so you will know this. So, simple thing here. User, we set up the roles. User, a hero is inherits from user, and agent inherits from hero.
ユーザーの
We have product and secret product.
継承したヒーローがあって、エージェントがあって。
Everyone can read products.
で、読むのはみんなできます。
Nobody can read the product except if they are the owner of the
で、
product.
シークレットプロダクトっていうのは誰も読むことができないけども、例外として。
Yeah. Assertion I will show you. This is here. This is Zend framework interface I implement. So it passes the role, which is the user to check, and it passes the resource, which is the product object. On you see the sample app user implements the role interface from ZendACL. So it has get
サンプルアプリケーションのユーザーは ZendACL のインターフェースを実装しています。
So if we're authenticated, then we use the authenticated role. If not, then we just return standard user role. And then here, we have ZendACL resource interface. This is in the interface from ZendACL. We say if it's a private product, we return secret product. If not, public product. Okay? So this is the first step for the ACL. This is for static knowledge. We always know is it a private or a public product. Next step is only owners can edit the products. Heroes can edit all products, and agents can view all products and edit all products, even private products, because there are secret agents. So here we allow agent to read and write, and this works.
Secret agent はすべての読み書きができる。
If we now log in as Joku, we can view this. Oh wait, I think I can edit because I'm the owner. I cannot edit this
ZooCool の場合はオーナー
because I'm not the owner.
であるものに対しては編集ができるようになっています。
But now if I'm